Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. In today's video, I will show you how to fix cellular data issue on iPhone iOS 18.1.on. So let's get started. First, restart your iPhone. It's a quick and easy steps that can clear up minor glitches. Quickly press and release the volume up and down button. And next, quickly press and hold the power button until the power off slider appears. Slide it to turn off your device. Wait for a few seconds, then turn it back on. Next, turn on and off airplane mode. Swipe down to open the control center. Tap the airplane icon to turn it on. Wait about 10 seconds and then turn it off again. If that didn't work, check your mobile data settings. Open up settings. Next, tap on mobile data or mobile service. Ensure it's turned on. Also verify your carrier settings. You may need to reselect your carrier or check that roaming is enabled if you are traveling. Updating your carrier settings. Head to settings. Tap on general. Then about. If a carrier update is available, you will see a prompt. Follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Reset network settings. Keep in mind that this will erase saved Wi-Fi passwords, Bluetooth pairings and custom cellular settings. To do this, launch Settings app. Next, tap on General. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings. Enter your iPhone's passcode. In the pop-up menu, tap Reset Network Settings to confirm the process. In this way, you can fix cellular data issue on iPhone. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.